aman ni wiase man obia ntiase ese de ba de no wura kan de Japan hu e wo Reverend Obofo na de ba de no nim e wo no na de ba de na Reverend Obofo aka kire no e no pepepe ne yepe osofo yi o yo osofo controversies bebere atwa de ho ahia bebere kire sa osofo de wiase se nipa ye obone a esre bone fa che na osofo odi ache even abosomfo kra de che na wo a we osofo asamba pe no achi obi no de na tu nipa osofo ba kwa chi o magum no e wo Ghana nya asam ketwa all because wonim kwa fa so chi amanfo gum we ya ofre we ya na we ya ba ne abachi ne de wakotum ofre we ya na we ya ba ne de wakotum nka osofo de nka obi yo bone na osre bone fa cha e ka ye de che na afri ya hwe de Awurade ebeye no oja bibia ma Awurade se wo de ma ya kra no de ma ya kra mo de munye enya ma Awurade ne yehu se de sitie ba we die ekosi osofi niema wo ye enkum bia wo tonton na sorry dem na sorry dem o no so before we wura sorry ho no o phone sekuta wo nyina no mo ama wo de agu ho wo iPad afato ho wo we afato ye mpeso bia betwa video mpeso bia betwa picture e wo ho nka sorry dem de nka sofo sa anasa sorry me sa nka obi atimi twa pictures kama obi atimi twa videos kama na de anigi aba kama eza sorry dem oni e seize o munyina phone mo fango na body gas akese ena e ga de chese body gas akese ene wa sorry dem ni e seize mo phone mo fa mo phone ngo ho mo fa mo iPad mo niam bi ekuta ma electronic gadgets mo betimi na twetwa video ni pictures no mo ma gide nyina e de egu ho o mo de egu ho se be ya ye koso wa sorry dem ho no untimi entwa ho picture ana untimi ntwa ho video e ya sem bi e kire ya adwene kakra sei enema bebiri akoso wa sorry dem ho wi ase de ewom se obia ye papa de obia anye na chinje se onye ebi ma amanfo wa ye bia ma amanfo wa boa amanfo obi hia bibia wo de ma no twaba TV so yete na so ade bia egoma ehia ene se de okoso wa na sorry dem ho no se amanfo a obobi no mo bayi etia ebinum rights okwa sorry dem ho a ye obia ne de maka siwa no kasa oye bayifo ya bayifo na me ba na enku abayifo nku abayifo semina abayifo ntosi abayifo mako abayifo bibia adende be na ekoso enenti adofo no ene se na Canada Japan mrahye bitwani a wosaye outspoken person a wono kasa utim say yes be ma na kasa no wodi atudwa se onim Reverend Obofo onim ne papa because Reverend Obofo ne na ka asem bi obi anim secret kro nobody knows obi anim ade a Reverend Obofo aka akire no efa na sori no ye wo na Canada Japan de ba yese maame eya agrade aba bechia no e de be pa na show oba ye no o record no friendship agrade am display tu ye eni to so asakra okoso nyankopon Reverend Obofo so awoye osofo aye di nachi ekosua nyankopon asem sei osofo yi Kennedy si wonim bibi efa no ho onim niema bi a wo ye a enten e wo Ghana onim niema bi a echese odane di wa asori dem anya no na chese sofo adwuma eni ti se wa sesa ni suban a de oye bi ha no o de beba abonten that's a long overdue so wa sesa ni suban kra de ne Canada Japan consider no ade o ye na enya e wo se ba abonten na Reverend Obofo also no ono asemi Canada be kan no wa ancha ho e no so ye video the video ye no de tudwa e kan se when you onsoro bia wo bia ntime nya ne hwe na entonchen ye musa kwaku anan awo na 2 TV said why now kwaku anan ye musa ne obey program no be na be che ne program awonye na so ye pese ehu se Reverend Obofo say why now I do the pese ehu say why now because Reverend Obofo to challenge bi say ye musa it is a bibi wo ho a Ghana for person why now I don't know person you but ade an say me nyi ni say bibia wo sa because Reverend Obofo yam ehye de say a kyerɛ sɛ wɔda a wɔna ayamhyehyeɛ paa ɛkɔ so sesei no wahu sɛ sesei deɛ ne too ba abɛte ne nneɛma a wɔn yɛ adada wɔn dada amanfoɔ wɔ asɔre dɛm hɔ no wahu sɛ too ɔbɛte eti too ɔbɛte deɛ a wɔnyɛ dɛ ɛno ɛne ne mmerɛ na aso eti wiase sɛ adeɛ bi kɔ so na o mmerɛ so a o divert asɛm na enye yi o dane na enye yi mmerɛ no na aso Reverend Obofo they say yahu sɛ anagrada wasakra ɛyɛ likely sɛ Reverend Obofo ɔno so ɛyɛ likely sɛ ɔno so ɔbɛsakra ɛnkyɛ because they say yame no kase gwafili yenim kura wakɔhyɛ so ɛne yenim baabi a wakɔtete sesei ba wɔ sesei deɛ ɔkɔ 30 days vacation mumu sa ne sa abrɛ bɛn na ɔyɛ na adwo sɛ ɔbɛkɔ 30 days vacation ohun sɛ mu ayɛ den ohun sɛ nsɛm ɛbɛba ne mɛyɛ nsɛ bi a ɛmmerɛ wadwene nti no ɔkɔpɛ baabi ahyɛ sɛ 30 days vacation a wokɔ he Reverend Obofo ka kyerɛ wokɔ he 30 days vacation ka kyerɛ Ghana man de sɛ ɔso ɔkɔ 30 days vacation ɔne ne dɔfo ne ne yere ɔmani agye na wabrɛ na ɔkɔ 30 days vacation ɛmmerɛ na aso no ɛyɛ mmerɛ bi a afei na nsɛm bɛba abɔnten nti ɔpɛ baabi ɛde ne ti akɔhyɛ ɔpɛ baabi ahide ebi sɛ secret na ɛba sesei no odwane firi ho baabi a enye ye dabi ɔbɛda aduane firi asɛm wei ho odwane firi wei ho a enye ye bibia na agrada wɔ ntima ntwe ne ho ne mmerɛ aso ɛne aso ne mu enti sesei Reverend Obofo minim ebi si location ne yɛ Canada ebi si country wei minim na sɛ Canada I don't know me say unknown location. But why now? Reverend Obofo, can I ask you why now? So see you Kwaku Anai. Say why now? No, there was a mobile. Well, one now, what was a mobile or timetable now? Timetable now. Or more than your production. The two for more than your production. And no more we decided the person of the Assembly. And we decided information on what get that at a given period of time. Necessary documentation kuta wo ne evidence kuta wo e no mo de ba enti se na e bia omotimi agada all information here wo mo all documents here wo mo all bibie here wo afi no mo setimi aka enti e osi ye musa Kwaku Anai say why now mo kan wasema Reverend Obofo why now say we got 30 days vacation mo musa why now share we say abro na manfo di dabi we are say sika ntimi to bibia o sika ntimi to bibia de ekoso no obi say vacation and and the word ntimi wo when they also got 30 days vacation you will say oh elevator na wo mu no yinim say 30 days no o ko he nti the 30 days vacation no eno enie ɔne ne yere kama sima hu ɔhu ɔne ne yere ɔde me ba mo pɛ sɛ mo hwɛ ade ne yere ɔhu
my boss herself I am the TV and she's the remote.
Greetings to Ghana.
My commander Abali who a month 30 days leave. Say my head my show.
Yes. Mr. Innocent.
Innocent. Abali who a month. So for the sake of Kwayo. And Kwayo. Sele Bobo Bonabi. Good.
okay and they say omo asem no okọ 30 days vacation enti 30 days no what's why I sorry actually wa bre e wo Ghana enti say no fahin no wo say 30 days no okudi ne he Reverend Obofo okudi ne 30 days vacation no e wo he enti no na amamfo e bisa say nti dada day oh Obi say he has gone to Sunsumu Yasi. I said, oh, since we are seeing vacation. Into that day. When you're not doing say or 30 days vacation. And they are who say more thing. And they are who say I don't know, baby, I don't know, a more do no. Is it there or 30 days vacation? Reverend Obofo, Opa 100 days vacation. Me say kwa 9 honorable Canada Japan security beer minimum. I was some of the bar bunting. Ghana my shamo. Yen somebody can someone yet the service to the country. And you some maka say mo dear. Obi a shamo, some more dear beer mokano. Muku transformation and maka. A bed a bear camera. Set munim baby, Nambeka, Namubon canamoba hide, and obey our reposum. Because yes, Anna, a man for an inject the Abacoso and a man for an inject the Ecoso. But say more on my catcher, yea, at your baby, and I can read upon the betuja, or the betuja, and I at your baby be out in the baby, and or the betuja said, or what evidence be only near me be if you say above one and a cassa into him so many things about before. As a once sat near my was ya. Or the secretary in a babonti, or some for penny or before back up a lion. Our friend home. Or no cassa. Say unknown location, you nim Safa pa no. Say soon we are saying or say a beer or Connie Yakupa could or here we don't know. But over for why now? You have to stay there. Nasha the air cost. Oh, I was our Tinagana Maimu. Now, if the air boban, what face it? Now say, I'm passing was sorry for the near my voice. 88 yamra, number and wood. And was a baby, then solve a problem over it. To now, that's how we ace a drew. Our mamma for in soon num say a drobin num say ace a drew. No proof is said, and pie ace a drew. Nothing Merano and so say. FGA for Ben and a proof of man, suffer mamma for not omonum. Why should I say, Minim, say running away who said, dear you, mean to me, or for who calling Ujanako Tetain. Face it, adian. Face it, Nagana, my who's a power of Bama. And Anna G, Minim send a 2 for Bay program. Na the mobile car for home cram in Saka post standard. Your main no yen Saka. Na you nim the ombeka afa Reverend Obofo, so ombeka na se momon kana se mo yenim. Ba me de se kwakwa na ya reply Reverend Obofo an cancer man fa the Reverend Obofo atimi aka no ho a. Ebe enwanwa kakra. Kwakwa na boss, ka we den ka be na wanwa. Enti mesrawo, ma yemhu sampa. Kwakwa na no. Usro she, on your she, over be beer near she, or your bema or respecting him, or bema won't me physical influence, or cassa with facts and evidence. And then, Nagopon one baby become Makoma, if you're more December. Now come on the bank, baby, as mind the papa. Now if you baby or both were Johnny Akosha be after Yakosha the number. Who Johnny Akosha? Over for Ujanyako. Ujanyako, face it, tenacity, face it. Share. Ghana for more, and about so go home. Muntimi for more to Chaskelin, sir. Muntimi for more art movies, sir. Muntimi tenacity, yes, I name man, a war mine. A brass honey money cost number for me on man. Oh, sir. Dear Tiana, sir. Yeah, no. May never say Reverend Obofo no once baba. But I made the say no clear PCC. The principle no. Yes, an individual be once baba name de. But no quarry a far sorry home piano and name de. Tina say o your bema. Oh, now what tina fear, what tina say, now what face it the apostle. Canada Japan and some our kind. We call one question. One question baby was say, Jai dear Woyan, that's a way ya. You wouldn't a can of a bow to. Now, nobody can read Japan, Mr. So, I know what kind of secret was say we a national interest. I've been out when I can read. enti wanya aka wie no de waka enka wanka ka different thing ba wabie wa no waka de honorable yesrewa bomodi wie ne peye na Ghana fo hu osofo bia ose wo ye reverend obofo ne yehu de wo ya ampa say mommy mama dia na ba bia wo no me akohwe no mommy so bia try let's go search for you mommy akohwe no me face enwane tina wo ne face tina wo na afi de omo beka no omo nka na afi mmera bi wo hoso na du bedia na mmera ne woni ye de asem ne say equality before the law. Oh, no one is above the law. So aduro the man for no say HIV aduro. Now we found food and drugs boards for say. One testing who say aduro no more proven official. Now we are saying now we timid the man a man for no go yama. Hey, a serious offense a serious offense. Enti no I was say mera bomodi no mo hwehwe sasem no. Kwakwa na yi video ni yehu ye. Food and drug boss for mo hu a mo kwakwa na nkope video na mo hwehwe. Ana mo ko esa program video no wo so. A wode mo say HIV aduro. O pai amanfo abayi. Asore dem mo yehu de ekoso. And it is okoduru say wo kwa asore ya. Ubi bia ne agye firi nsem ogagesi bia de kutawo ade bia kutawo bia ne agye firi nsem because omonim se saa ne mani kutawo abetima record baby aba bibi etima ye atuma they say wano aba be kasa enti se gwagwa na wonte ya me sa bi let's assume baby nim se wati na se wonte ya let's assume se wonte so one reply so I find. But let's assume say one here, right? Me say be bobie. Na wa ka say tie the revenue for kind. Na say wo tie wi a na nne we programmer. Na de wo say wo kan, de wo say mo kan kire Ghana man na maka. Ye pese ye hu asem no be ne ma ekọ. No one is above the law. So be fun mra, obi mra kuta no, obi di mra hye ne nsa e wo say Ghana mra, obi etimi di no, obi ne ho kire mra. It is all the aduro come a man for them say HIV aduro. Now the more no ekugo mu yem. Obi de aburo mu nsuo ma man for no. Obi so de no de nku ma man for asra. Sika perfume na we say ya. That just say niam bia wo say Ghana man idi akire. Enti we dey very simple. Me we yan kasa nkwa akire. E very simple mathematics. Or say kwaku ana yan chia wo 3 times. Afi onsuro bibia wontimi nya ne hwe e wo wiase wontimi nya ne hu onsuro bia wo wiase wontimi kansa mo no hu ono ye lion dada o den utina so enti nya mo nsema mo keka na be ma na adwane nya mo nsema mo keka na be ma but he say reverend before mixing in action so called vacation 30 days since when and a reverend before vacation agrada aso asakra ono so de ba ya o asakra reverend obofo so ebobo banana ono so make vacation 30 days 30 days no okoshema obeba no da bibia to atwa yes sir they say 30 days no kra inu e se be boro so no yeso de na maka se sa na wo kenede Japan no man ka ye nti ase mo na mo so ne mo be ka asem o ye de nim mo na mo se wa be ka asem yanka ewu nipa e wa so nipa bibiri ebi ma menom ebi papa no ebi wofa no ebi nuanom ohunsa na se o deceive amanfo wa so dem ho na mo hu na mo se mo be ka anabo wa wasema o kan ni sabe bobiem ene se wo kwotena so ayesere wa anabo Ghana fo ni biasema etio mo si wa be ka asema kire mo na sa asem no wa anhwe ni yie mo be boso amanfo ahu obi anim de mo be ka kire amanfo ahu and obi ani masem potin ya reverend obofo kai but say wadwane afiri ehu ba bi say woko eno aso be ye short program bi na eno kra 1 minute because oye ma no bro so hwe na location e ho ye coded location one hwe na manfo coded location nti the best thing is say I was say bomodin na oye quickly na mo feel ba bi o mo wo no anya easy o at some way the abo pass say no or no advices na advising of rightly say, my friend, Kushima better Obabana case die. The Abuba Bandi is serious. The Abuba Bandi move to the year. The Abubo Eban. Or say when it is coming, it is doing. Reverend Obafo say when it is coming, it is doing. Or she Ghana for boss 12 o'clock, Ghana for betting sing the omunti bidja. Na when you be more ye fake papa e wo Ghana. Or more si or more ye ni petiti so no ye fake for no wo Ghana. 12 ne boy ya. Reverend Obafo say missing in action ya. Have you also all vacation 30 days. Nipa wa she Ghana for boss at 12 o'clock. Amanfo be tie the obekase Ghana be butu. After the one is the ocean vacation 30 days. Yeah, no for no. After Moses, monya analysis. There be also the meme say analytical thinking. Or catch the Ghana mind. Say 12 o'clock. Sharp. Ghana be between some of Pekano. Ghana for be who say they sit here. Or bet chess and pack or you lie or kasa. Or be to me who they walk. Or be to me challenge. Remember before the catch. Yeah, they baby no about the life no catch. Say Ghana for even some of Pekano. A man for being say yes or no near Casano. And a man was 8 to me 12 o'clock. Me, I know Dano. Let me calculate Ghana time, America time 12 o'clock. Now say me, Pomodia Tinam. I've been married about 12:01, 12:02, 12:03. Now about 12:30, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Now Reverend about for Ama. And they are the action. They are at years of vacation, go baby, 30 days. Wash it. Wash it. Se say nim guasia wo mu gu kwaku anan sisi the two e bi no create impression bi se say the asset bibi bi akoso wo ne ntem obi ani ma de koro me I don't know, but it's up to kwaku anan say the credibility amanfo nim sekuta no any say the real semi respecting no any so otena ho ema obi di nanim ye fom any so otena ho Emma, the credibility of our build this independent investigative journalist. Our respectable, reputable journalist. Not all of a sudden, unexpectedly, not what me I get down formation. Oh, a be incriminate you be. Nancy said your more person more pet leeway be a woman. I don't think it's going to be practicable. And I expect to say Kwana will be acting on this issue. So what Niana no and Nedia and they also give room for speculation. And now I can once my address this issue we are. Definitely is going to give room for perfect speculation. And that speculation is going to be either wanted speculations or wanted. And it be very sad speculation. And yeah, train said then you marry the two for a program. And I make us a message couple standard that the mobile cyber a yibi no mobile. Now the woman is said, I expect to say me the boss can see back. Oh, Kwakuanai, I am respecting ye. I mean him say, on no your friend Mr. Innocent, no, yet Reverend Obafo the way they call innocent. Why would fat title the tone so what the way they call innocent? Innocent, if you see a druga amount for him say, is a druga, is a druga. Innocent, I did kata will be any say. Only Pano Crasa Bompire man, what kata when it's away innocent. Innocent, Mr. Innocent, what innocent as it? Oko fat tight to be a winter fan to us and I what also. Huh? Over tight to be a fan to us and Uncle Fanada also. And I'm going to say, dear, no mercy because I am fat telephone for Obia, some Munimuni. The fat telephone for Obia, as a mammy wait. It's your kind of semi, you can't pain. You need some time or no? What I say? The woman is say, Obi to say, Kwakuanai, any Urakan in Japan. When you yam as ye, because of my yes say, or more pa near my bonny air cost Wagana or more pa home to me. No matter who you are, no exception. What would it be? Beer a pa home to my kama and will be able. Eti Juma wo mo eye no. Oba pa obi nim hontuma bi aseman enyina hu obi nim se de ositie. It is all cause obi nim asori your choice because they are tia for obi nim. Any dey hu afọ obi nim ho no. Bibi ani ho say obi betima be da make that different. Sekokotena na makwakotena na sorry because ya te sem afa obi nim ho na ye hu sem afa obi nim ho ni nyira no Canada Japan ene gwakwa na mother Roma no de baaye ye wo ene o masa ba biem edi na jegezi de ba ye ti de si ye e wo na jegezi so ye wo ene asofo akese ebi no mu bu amanfo dwiri mo ye no ebi no de baaye ana agrada de so na nka eboboba ena na hu sampa wiase de zenim guase e beba e so si anu kwan before it's too late ye me migu ani ma se nwie no aka say it's too late Canada Japan ka say wo video yi for the paper wo ba be video yi ana grada say dey wo video ni video on fa ho wasakra wo ye Christiani wo ye evangelist oduro kwa anche oduro ayi no dia twitwa so on ye evangelist into on the way evangelism no kwahye na ade ase Reverend Obofo so your suffer Canada Japan say na sorry na watch no o ye niam bia emfata na wone no abekasa enti ba wone na abekasa no de wone na beka bia no obebo modern na wo pai ne to so wa hwe ne ya obebo modern na wa pai ne to ena one no akasa asem na Ghana for say Ghana for say then they say security be akoso ena yinim eti adofo no me say me nyayo me say me part 1 part 2 part 3 part 4 me ya kopem tama asem no nokure no bibia beba na Ghana for nyina ehu se disitie ba nya sa de ya me part 1 part 2 part 3 kopem tama no Canada Japan beka sa asem no because anabo Canada Japan amanfo tie o amanfo twen se Reverend Obofo aka asem a kire wo na wonim se sa asem ni serious a ye be sere wo o se Ghana for hu because Ghana for ubia for say o ye special wo papa wo bu bibia no enti we ya ade a ye be sere wo se Ghana for twen na asema honorable kan ye no obi say waka na meba me dey asema di ka se me born every day enti meba na masabe bo biem na afi ye nyina ye tie ensema honorable kan na ye nyina ye hu de ekoso because waka wie enti ye pese mu nyina mu tie ensem potea owura Canada Japan kan na waka wie ye no so no Obofo so de a obekan na ye tie because okan ni de wie ye no sit 12 o'clock dana o saba ene ne ade achi a ye tie ya so wadwane o so ayere o so amemo Obofo okọ vacation 30 days na Ghana for na wogro mo na ahifo na agro mo Reverend Ghana for na wogro mo na ahifo na agro mo hwe yes e di agro it is out ho na wo de o mpe ne kware e wo wiase na wo de wo view a ne se wo do obi ana wo pro obi asem na ofum kura na wo correct na ye de ente sa wo asem ne ba ye ka ne pimpin pepepe de tie no sa pepepe ene ye ka enti mo de me bebo odio ni biem na mo tie Kennedy ana wo Canada Japan wa no kasa wo ene ye ka enti Ghana for twon sa wa no kasa no de wo ka ye no ye serew we dey anya say wan hwe ni ya but interest here Ghana for ye be serew
na sorry wow Obofo has to be careful. Obofo, you have to be careful. And yes, I made it. Ni only me can be American because you cannot continue deceiving people, vulnerable people. Or they say amassing wealth from the ignorant. God will not bless you.
All right. Do you say Canada Japan can't say never? Or say Obofo say once the same free dia wo ye no ho on shall say vulnerable people and I will show them now what them amass wealth odi yeye at the expense of vulnerable people now wo dia wo di page na amanfo e ho kire them it is a once some wonsem bia wone ne kan ye bia no baba beka ana beka na Japan be serew we dey anya se sesansem ayen sama ehia wo man Ghana so osofo bi practice ampa na honorable wo hu se o dada manfo deceive amanfo a why she osamo sama no to anadwuma so why se nya se obi a wo de wontimi nkurusu adwuma wonye police panyina na wonye court no wakurusu na adwuma nanso ensama waka acho no be kan ebetima ma wiaseman etimi nya adwen sakra ehu de ekoso na sore ho ebetima ma manfo ahu se yes se nya nyagopo adwuma e na wo ye na sore ho na said ye ehihya ase no nobody knows it enti we de e simple kenim se osu nyagopo adwuma na wo ye enti de wo se mboma wo se wo kan ana wo kan de Japan esre wa ka tere Ghana man na wiase man any the whole world obi ehu de ekoso yesrew na Ghana man ehiam Ghana man pese nukure egum no oma omuhu yenko na enkotie nsem a Reverend Obofo so reply a wode ma Honorable Kennedy Japan na the reply no na no ehye papa kwani kwaku anan
obi anka no bro for more on Facebook ya when Toronto say when is coming is doing.
Let me write it down. When it's coming, it's doing.
I don't think this is a good idea.
When it's coming, it's doing. I don't know so much. When it's coming,
I respect everybody. But nobody can be contracted to fuck up.
No.
You just write this message down.
You're writing it down, boss.
When
it's coming, it's doing.
Safo na tu monchia na mami.
Yes, y'all. Safo.
No can cheer and say Obofo so chia.
Obofo so chia.
Na monchia justice kokwa na mami.
Monchia no man.
My name is the Great Lion.
The Great Lion. The Great Lion so chiao.
We go na de monchiana 3 times.
3 times. Empress 3 times.
Semi chiano.
So chiao.
O chiana no buchana semi say why now?
Kwakwana now the question is why now? And I'll do also obofo asem eba. Amanfo bebre no mo contemplate. Say for long. Obi ni masem na ekoso no. Amanfo bi yeso mo ka obofo asema na ye twa so. Amanfo yeso mo ka obofo asema ho na ebo twa so. Amanfo ntina amanfo complain say why? So obofo de untouchable ana. Obofo de ne ho asema obi ntimi nka. Obofo de nti ne ho asema obi ntimi nka. Actually audio ni videos bi by ebe condemn amanfo say obi ntimi decide emma wo mo. Say de wo so mo ye. Ene obofo age na sa asem no so. Say you musa kwakwana and say why now? Why now no make mama answer? Me am a personal answer. Why now no before the entire why now ne say. Afi no ma get that necessary information about you. Omo ye journalist e tuma no mo ye investigative journalism no mo ye. Afi no mo hu bibia fa ho. Enti de wo ho no afi no mo de beba. Why now? Now is your time. O time no mere ni. We ase de o mere so a okotete ba bia akore nyeye emere no aso nti why now no kire se o mere aso is your time o turn na aba nti afi na aduru nti we dey tenchen ye observe secret tenchen ye tima answer mo nti wo another question you can ask. Okay, Reverend. It's ka for serious no miss me still be here ni me still be yes. It's a for Syria. Sure. Why now? Kokwanai. I don't know see Musa. Very simple. Why now? Jumade mo share live or YouTube. They now send newspaper or YouTube na Facebook. Baby obi will be our share me show.
Obi antro to also I say when is coming is doing.
When is coming is doing. Obi antro is here. Eba na eyo. When is coming is
and
doing.
Ghana very soon will know the great people and the fakest ones in the country.
Ghana. And check.
I swear my dad's grave. I'll come back on air again.
Come back on air when? 12, maybe what? All right, yeah, John.
If Papa compare Comichia, baby, I will be a. Obako Kubo for I'll respect you till I die.
No,
be a refi. Say me say mon chair justice Kokwana na 2 emami.
3 times. When it's coming, it's doing. Obo run away now.
I am the king of the night.
Unknown location. Coded location. Ayeka.
I will forever defend my title. I will never die as a coward. I still remain the 3 years innocent.
3 years innocent.
And the time will tell. Kabarasi Sansara. People should remember the days of Hot FM. I said this time, even if I die, I will defend my title.
The title, innocent title, will be defended.
I will defend my title. Nobody can finish the unfinished business for other people.
Oh, wonderful.
We are all Ghanaians.
What is going on? Proverbial
case.
speeches.
Send my greetings to Honorable. Mechia Honorable Kennedy Japan. My right is a Mechiano, or a member of parliament. The honor is coming, is doing. Arrest my case. I will never die as a coward. When she will mama send a basi or chiano. Na mochiano ba kwa monchia kwa na miensa. Before 12 o'clock Ghana time.
Before
we shall see.
Ghana time, we shall see.
Good luck, my country.
Good luck.
I love Ghana. City of Wenquanam Tiasie. God. And who jobless?
No one.
No one cares. Ubia Timin Koshap and Mubia Chu or Ghana ever finishing agenda. Assure my dad's grave. I will never close my mouth. I will never shut up again. Your parents won't cause some parents. Me command to move you. The vengeance is for the Lord. Me say monchia be papa kele Japan mama na monchia kokwa na justice kokwa na the 2 monchia na 3 times. Machia na sa echo 15. Let's finish the day. You ask Bibian Koka Papa.
And yet,
All
right, see.
I'll come back on air.
All right, you better. Reverend Obofo Shegana for boss. Ebra o kasa we no Shegana for boss. Obesa ba BM. Okase before 12 o'clock. No aba edin sema because how you be mo ye fake ankasa. Ne be mo ye ji omo di so se omo nyi nipa bia bone adu omo ma. E no ka che se ho e na ye be hu sa ankofo nyina. Reverend Obofo e ne kan. Adofonom 12 o'clock ni dure ni akwatena radio ho twa Reverend Obofo ya antenenka. Ya hwehwa na Reverend Obofo wo hin 12 o'clock ya okase ye ntwen na wo be kasa We see entering when it's doing, when it's coming is doing, when it's there, when it's going is coming, when it's moving is dancing, when it's nina ya keka sa ni mani nina bu ma twema ya nte. Ene ye hu ya Reverend Obofo say dwane no wadwane o so to you so yira yo ye hu ya wakɔhye unknown location dia ye hu ba bia no ani elevator mu nko ani ewu ono so okasa 1 minute pe coded location 1 minute pe wie ya papa mo na ekɔ no because I mean na obi atuma hu ba bia wo enti in this case no all ko na yere na ekɔ ye muntie ne kasa no ono dom kɔ kan ye
I did plus my boss, so I am together with the boss, my boss herself. I am the TV and she's the remote.
Greetings to Ghana.
Greetings to Ghana, meaning Omuni Ghana. The year they say, no so just say greetings to Ghana. That means they say they are Omuni Ghana more far away. Fine on what they say, unknown location.
My commander, about leave 1 month.
So about leave 1 month, meaning we feel Ghana. I could say could be so 1 month. Reverend Obofo, why now? Now we could leave. And near me a coswa escalate a yepe meanings to certain questions. Why is it saying that we could leave 1 month? Yeah, just here.
30 days leave. Say my head macho.
Yes. Mr. Innocent.
Innocent. About leave 1 month.
So come on. Mr. Innocent.
So for Kessia go quiet.
Suffer Kessia Kwaku Ayo.
Enquire.
Suffer a horn phantom team or suffer Kessia Kwaku on Penny. One company no bam phantom team or suffer Kessia Kwaku. Must see quite. Antimonia analysis and the moon the echo. I said, that's all the actors into a suffer Kwaku on Penny. 80 on. I said, well, I wouldn't see you. When you that's more chassis, I can more analysis.
I did plus my boss, so I am together with the boss, my boss herself. I am the TV and she's the remote.
TV and remote. Wonderful.
Greetings to Ghana.
Greetings to Ghana. To Ghana.
My commander. About leave 1 month.
About leave 1 month.
30 days leave. Say my head macho.
Oh, about leave 1 month. It's baby potting I will leave no. Banka. Unknown location. Reverend Obofo, when you Ghana say penny sama wakano, about leave 1 month, meaning we're free Ghana could leave. Also now catch us at 12 o'clock. Ghana time, Ghana phone train, sama would be baba bontin as a bitwa. Why now? Reverend Obofo, why now leave 1 month? Money analysis in here. Why now? 1 month leave? Why?
Yes. Mr. Innocent.
Innocent. About leave 1 month. So for Kessia go quiet. Enquire.
Also for Kessia Kwayo. Young Quay. When is coming is doing. When is coming he's running. Obofo Jana kwatete. Share. Yes, abroad the age. Oh. When is coming is doing. When is coming he's running away. Obofo akoshe. The person who may be say Obofo coded location. Chrono cry no person who chrono cry also. O person who na ono bia ye person who kofa na munje say almost ati me say kwaku anan ene Canada Japan. Mo ankasa ena mo so woni mo aka asem bi o. Ye tie ba bi e di enim. Asem oni mo aka no a mo amo sese. Sa asem no oni mo aka no wanyai ne sa niema na oye na sori dem wa mo be pa na ho ntuma. Waba abeka chem so nsuru mo. Nya de mo ka no I dey say obi ni beka say I dare you ne bi ani. On waba. Ma hu say obi so Thomas Opoku so address in Togo. There be say the city and when you Togo. Hey, obi a kyerɛ na adwene o. We have an unknown destination. Just say ɔmo ankasa ma into details. Ɛmi yɛ hu baabi a ɔmo ɛhyɛ. Unknown location. Just say but so far hu baabi a ɔmo hyɛ o. Enti yɛ deɛ your point ne sɛ. Said your mercy, said the mercy promising Ghana for. Say, Obofo Jumadi a would in your papa because or no more can say be a winning dear. And I'm going to Japan a best serum. If macho Ghana for macho. Momo Madiana, Simon Maka, Monkama Ghana font. Because when it's coming, it's doing it. When it's coming, run away, air bumunu, extra amount for Argent. Jebesre, some Ghana for empty a seminal because it's a location, no. Almost yes, video no 3 hours ago. In the 3 hours ago, no, you know, baby, I reckon about for say, but a vacation 1 month. Why now? Can somebody ask Reverend Obofo for us? Say why now vacation? On country. Say why now? Na oko vacation. Na bibili obi ti mako vacation obi ti ma twen eye kakra na oko but why now nti Ghana for obi musa Reverend Obofo emaye say why now. Did you make them share live ewo YouTube the announcer newspaper ewo YouTube at the same time share live ewo Facebook the announcer newspaper ewo Facebook and some ekoso ewo Ghana and na ye de bremu say am no mo ka say ensem ye no bi na pie wo Ghana agrada de buy ne de buy no was say de ono de wa nwane wa tu kwan anko ba bia because the passport no ye seize enti on de wasakra afa nyankopon so ne de ye adwuma Reverend Obofo de oda so kuta ne passport obi amfa ne ko police station obi amfa ne ko court we full plane afri Ghana was when is coming is doing baba bidura obi anim so wa ye bibi nti na wa feel obi anim said the Kennedy no so munim fa na ho na ya asembia we don't know but wa ba be your man oba kan fearless so babo bonsem bi so ti we no the bed then say o wa man on kura say no e obi anim the location e no timi de nsem ba e mu be yeduru na information e kuta ye no so ebi no kire say Canada no mo wo minim say ho no mo wa ampa ebi no say America no mo so minim ba Canada so no wa minim say Canada borders no ma bi ama obi betima akọ I don't know but me dem say unknown location na owo enti until say onu abe disclose country owo so no me speculate emfa ho sa enti my describe on say unknown destination say am no ka say ena numre waku anan no be program me saka poster a wo show a mbe ye no me poster e wo ha a me sa aka no asat now kokuwa na beba so mahu se abronya beba so na guest so beba so also ash also beba so na je se ebe de pai na the woman say Ghana for twen se kokuwa nan the won bia no on fan tudwa adofo me ne se si amene mo kasai Ghana ban ye na na do danko akufo ado odano wa bomodin asma asujafo nko 200 se womo enko oman Ghana mu ba bia nipa bonifuo bi galamsey a osi anon kwan no omoda so ye sa galamsey e wo ho no omonko na omonko so mo nyina anu dia reku bebre fa galamsey no ho no eni se adofonum asemi galamsey sensem ba ya nanado e ka se wayi operation Vanguard omunya adwuma no ya se hu se nansen amanfo da so ye galamsey ho nema enu nti sa nam san sensem ni nyina no galamsey sensem ni nyina no ama ebinum kore blemu China for se o China for na aba be galamsey adwuma wo Ghana na omo na ese Ghana nsase na omo na ese Ghana nsuo ese Ghana nema adofonom China for no omo na mo ho visa e ba Ghana se Ghana for na mo visa ba China for no bi nim Ghana ha so bi anim Ghana ho Ghana for na bi ene de omo kokko kire omo se ha na gold ni she ha na diamond ha na we she ene omo ye sa na ma na de se wo man no na afi wo wi akobɔ China fo no sobo nya mo ana munim di baabi a ayi saa nneɛma no nyinaa hyehyɛ na mo yɛ budie ne hyɛ enti se ya me ne mo kasa yi na ado se ekwan bi obefa so asi ano kwan ansa na ne mmere aso obesi ano kwan enti ne ya me no kasa yi wabomodin ayi asojafo 200 se omonko na baabi a galamsey site wo nyina mo ko locate no mo close bibia tete ya yensa aka eno emre pam no de aka bia no so no ye de bebrem ansa na ye bekokra no where is Reverend Obofo wo hin Reverend Obofo disclose your location country kra was on catch Ghana man na fi catch Ghana for say so wadwane a catch say we dey na yem hihyew na adwane ye so wunwane ye so a catch them ba enkase eye vacation no dada na onim so be vacation dada se na onim anana onim enne ya nsam mbubo ba no afi na ko vacation afi na enne ya mahu se passport ho hia afi na mutu afri o man. When it is coming, it is doing. When it is coming, it is doing. Even though I'm obi afri o man, you can't tell. But when it is coming, it is doing. Sa pepe. Me did that different. And I'm the best. Me na mo nyina some channel me dwuma dey mo share my life. E wo YouTube, the announcer newspaper e wo YouTube. At the same time mo share my life for Facebook, the announcer newspaper e wo Facebook. Reverend Obofo out of the country. Where is he now? Wajane anase o wayira anase okohin okoye den oso okọ vacation na waye adwuma bre nto ne yiro mu kodi 30 days e wo unknown destination bia obia enim. But the question I'm asking is, Reverend Obofo, why now? That is a simple question I'm asking. Why now? Now okọ vacation. Now on train Emmanuel Udingo Wumuno and settle before you go. Why now? Can somebody ask Reverend Obofo for us? Why now? All right, thank you. My name is Daddy Fred. Na me di basic. Kwa nine. Ye twa won na nwumre yenim se. Ampa humia wanoda. Da se kwa na anka ho asem na nwumre dia. That is nka de be nwanwa. Ka be ye Ghana fo nwanwa papa. Nti ye be monitor. Ni ahwese obeka ho asem a na fe ye hu se di asem no ebesi na me di besi yakra mu nyina gwagwa nan me chia ba bia wo bia Fifi net 2 for editor at large awo New York Fifi me chia pa ye me se bibia etu mpon kama makra mu nyina na me di besi